Energy consumption for heating, cooling, and industrial processes in buildings and facilities can be a significant expense. Monitoring BTUs, or British thermal units, which is a unit of energy that defines the amount required to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water by 1 degrees Fahrenheit, is not only practical, but it's essential. With climate conditions becoming increasingly extreme, BTU meters offer crucial insight to building owners, detailing where their energy for flow, heating, and cooling is allocated. Welcome to another episode of Ask Flow Meter Guy. Today's question is, how do you measure BTU energy non-invasively? Well then, you can use a clamp-on ultrasonic transit time flow meter to measure flow of liquids, and clamp-on RTD sensors to measure temperature. Now, the basic parameters needed for your energy meter to calculate BTU is to monitor flow and temperature differential. Let me show you. Well then, in a hydronic system, energy is transferred via a liquid that circulates through a hydronic loop. A source receives liquid, heats or cools the liquid, and supplies the resulting liquid to a load that needs heating or cooling. To monitor BTU, first you need a clamp-on ultrasonic transit time flow meter that can also measure temperature. It can be a dedicated meter that will communicate with your BAS, or building automation system, or you can use a portable and log the data. Well then, clamp on an ultrasonic flow meter transducer to measure the flow of your hydronic supply. No need to measure the return because it's a closed loop. That's right, the gazzetta equals the gazzetta, hence 1 point of flow monitoring is usually sufficient. Now to measure temperature, we need to use precision RTDs calibrated as a pair and strap them on the supply and the return lines in the same position, typically 3 o'clock. Now the outside of the pipe temperature is not the same as the inside processed liquid. However, remember, the quest is to come up with a temperature differential, not an exact processed liquid temperature. Well then, we now have supply flow and the supply and return temperature, so the flow meter can now calculate BTU. You can log the data onto your portable ultrasonic flow meter, or for a dedicated application, you can transmit the output to the BAS to optimize control of your facility. That's how you measure BTU non-invasively. Well then, I hope you find this information of interest. If so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next video.